Hi, Rob and Kim. I'm previewing your new website for you today so you can see how it looks and functions. I really love the current colors of your current brand, so we went with a website that was complementary to those. I love the rich browns and the cream color of the building itself, and I noticed that the awnings were this nice rich brown on that building. And then you already had the gold in your logo. So we pulled together a website that adds that cream color, the brown color, and the gold color so everything kind of works together and blends well and sticks with your whole brand. I know we spoke about the old site having way too many distracting slideshows and moving images, and for the most part we did away with those and went with galleries to highlight your products instead. However, the homepage was a great place to include a hero slideshow image to showcase a sampling of your beautiful products. We've included products from several different rooms in the slideshow to give it some variety. We've also moved the logo from the header area on the homepage and superimposed it across the slideshow to brand it to your company a bit more. On the home page, we've taken your existing copy and optimized it for some SEO benefits. It now includes some location-specific keywords since your business is location-specific for the most part. Right here, we have some call-outs for the 4 service and product areas that you provide, well, 4 of the products and service areas that you provide. When your website visitor clicks on one of these, they're going to go directly to the corresponding page for that particular product or service. We've included the Stressless manufacturer sales banner right here that you had on your old site. This changes quarterly based on what they send to you. While this was present on your old site, it was not working properly. It now works properly so that when a website visitor clicks on the banner, they're actually taken to a Stressless page so that they can view the details of the sale. This includes the sale copy that the manufacturer sends you to put up. This page also includes the embed code that they send you that corresponds with that particular sales page. This is working properly now too as well. On the old site, it was getting cut off, but we've coded it in such a way so that it doesn't get cut off and your visitors see the entire page right there within your site. Going back to the home page, we have the manufacturer sliders that I know you like to have, and that is right here. When you click on a manufacturer's name in the banner, it's going to take you to their website, but it's going to open in a new window, so the visitor is never taken off of your website. They can always easily just get back to your website by closing that window out. Underneath that slideshow banner, we have the Testimonials slideshow. This is where we put kudos from your customers, and we can easily swap this out and add new testimonials as they become available. And then underneath that, we have the footer area. This flows across all pages of the website, so it's consistent on every page. This includes the showroom locations, phone numbers, and hours. We also have a lot of location-rich keywords in this area, which highlight the different areas your customers are coming from. I've included the financing box as you asked me to, and it also opens in a new tab so that the visitor never leaves your website. At the bottom and top of all pages, we have social media buttons, including the 2 Google Plus pages that you have, one for each location, so that your visitors can follow you on social media. All of the interior pages follow the same format for the most part. They include SEO-friendly copy towards the top of the page. We've tried to include location keywords in that as well. The headers have been optimized for SEO, for the type of search phrases that your customers might be looking for. Each page has a main photograph and then a gallery of 6 smaller pictures underneath it. The gallery pictures can be clicked on to get a closer view, and when the visitor clicks on it, they get the manufacturer's name and the product line in case they want to reference that when speaking with you. And that pretty much runs across all of your different pages, including your commercial services. Now, on your Interior design consultations, that's a little bit different since you don't have a specific product that's tied to that. So we've included some stock photography that highlights that. And it's been licensed for your project. So it's fully licensed stock photography. On your commercial pages and on your design consultation pages, we've included this paragraph or a paragraph similar to this, which is a call to action to encourage your visitors to give you a call to learn more about that particular product or service. On your Contact Us page, we've again included your showroom locations, your addresses, your showroom hours, and we also have some very handy little maps that customers can click on to get driving directions to each of the locations. We have an Contact Us form right here embedded in your website so people can easily contact you and ask you questions. Of course, no layout is good unless it's mobile friendly and responsive. So we're going to switch over to our responsiveness tester to see what it's going to look like on various screen sizes. The first one that we see is a screen size of 1600 by 900. This is what someone who has a 20-inch desktop computer is likely to see when they're visiting your site. Now let's say somebody has a 15-inch laptop computer. This is what they're likely to see when visiting your site. And switching over to tablet mode, if somebody's visiting your site from an iPad, it automatically responds to the fact that they're using an iPad, and this is the view that they're likely to get. Let's say they rotate their iPad so they're looking at it horizontally rather than vertically. This is what they see, which just looks like a mini version of the desktop website. And then when we switch over into smartphone mode, going with a Galaxy S5, this is what they're likely to see. And then if we go to an iPhone 6 Plus, this is what they would see. As you can see, each layout is designed to be responsive across all devices so that the viewer has the optimal viewing experience when visiting your website. I just wanted to say it's been such a joy working with you guys. You've been some of my favorite clients so far, and I do see that you signed up for a monthly maintenance package, so I'm glad to see that we're going to continue to work together in the future. Thanks again, and bye for now.